Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make on-time payments with Kikoff. There are a couple of the ways that you can make on-time payments with Kikoff. The first is setting up automatic payments. So what you want to do is to access your Kikoff account online or through the mobile app, and then you want to navigate to the payment section to access the payment settings, and then just choose the automatic payment option to set up recurring payments. You want to provide your bank account or debit card information to set up automatic payments. You could also schedule manual payments. You can do this by first logging into your Kikoff account online or through the mobile app, and then click on the payments tab to access the payment settings, and then choose the make a payment option to schedule a manual payment. Then just enter the amount and select the payment date. Now for payment methods, there are three methods. The first is bank account transfer, so you can pay using your linked bank account. There's also debit card payment, so you can pay using your debit card. And of course there's check payment, so you can just mail a check to Kikoff's payment address. Now for payment reminders, there are a couple of ways that you can set this up. So there's email reminders, and that helps you to receive email reminders before your payment date. There's also text message reminders, so you receive text message reminders before your payment due dates. And there's also push notifications that allows you to receive push notifications through the Kikoff mobile app. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make on-time payments with Kikoff. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.